Hi friends, today I will be discussing with you about a procedure called microblading. This is also known as eyebrow embroidery, in which we create pigmentation strokes mimicking individual eyebrow strands, which helps in getting a kind of fuller eyebrow look in cases with absence of eyebrows, which can be by birth or due to some disease processes like in thyroid disorders, or sometimes due to trauma or due to burns if eyebrows is lost. Then in such cases we can recreate the eyebrow pattern using this microblading. In this process we first get the eyebrow design as per the patient wishes. So we tell them to draw a eyebrow shape which they want, and then we prepare the area, we numb that area with a topical numbing cream, and then we design individual strokes which exactly mimics how the eyebrow strands are naturally. Then afterwards in this stroke we rub and massage a pigmentation cream which is left over in that area for 5 to 10 minutes. That area absorbs the pigment and then it resembles the a completely fuller eyebrows. This procedure requires touch up 2 or 3 times, probably at the gap of 3 or 4 weeks, and then the results tend to last for 1 to 2 years. You might need to repeat the procedure every 1 to 2 years. Some aftercare which has to be done after the procedure is you have to avoid sun exposure, because excessive sun can lead to the pigment tends to fade more quickly. You have to avoid washing that area for the first few days, especially with soaps. Otherwise there are no special precautions. You just need to apply a topical antibiotic cream for the first 3-4 days so that there is no infection and this area is completely normal. Just in 2 weeks you can see, after the touch up, you can see the full response, and the results are very satisfying in most of the patients. So we at DermaClinix primarily do hair transplant in eyebrows for most of such cases who has eyebrow thinning or absence of eyebrow. But in many cases, if due to some problems surgical measures are not possible, then microblading becomes the obvious choice in those cases. We at DermaClinix have done hundreds of cases of microblading successfully, and the results are extremely gratifying in our patients.